Space doesn't smell like nothing. It smells like burnt barbecue. Yeah, real astronauts said it. They come back inside after a spacewalk, open the airlock, and suddenly, the whole place smells like seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. So what is it? Is space cooking? Picture this. You're floating outside the space station. You can't smell anything out there because you're in a sealed helmet. But the moment you come back in and take your gear off, your suit smells like someone grilled meat on a robot. Here's the twist. Space has no air, so it's not wind smell. It's like your suit collected tiny, invisible leftovers, and you only smell them when you're back where air exists. Out there, your suit gets blasted by extreme sunlight, invisible radiation, and space dust. And when you move around, you stir up tiny chemicals and particles. They cling to the suit like smoke sticking to your clothes after a campfire. So why steak? Because some of those particles are made of carbon-based stuff, the same kind of building blocks that explain burnt smells. And why metal? Because the suit also gets hit with harsh space conditions that can make surfaces smell like hot iron or fresh welding once you're back inside. Now imagine the creepiest part. That smell is basically a reminder that space is trying to tear you apart. Not with monsters, with invisible violence, radiation, microscopic dust, and extreme energy. So when astronauts say it smells like barbecue, it's not because someone is cooking. It's because the suit came back wearing a ghost layer of space, like it walked through an invisible fire. No air outside, no smell outside, but the suit grabs tiny particles. Then inside the station, air hits it, and boom, steak, metal, welding shop. So if space can leave a barbecue smell on a spacesuit, what would it leave on you? Would you still take a spacewalk, knowing space comes back with you? Subscribe for more Space is Not Safe facts.